Next up, we have Pastebee, and this is by One Up Digital. I think it's Pete Nicholas, someone we know to be very loosely affiliated with the Swarm. But Pete, it's always nice to see you.
Good to see you guys too.
Yes, Pete from the UK, if I'm not mistaken.
Absolutely.
Please go ahead, do your thing.
Thanks very much. So I will share my screen and then you guys can see what's going on. So this is Pastebee. Pastebee is sort of like an attempt to produce a production grade kind of utility, simple utility app built on Swarm, kind of getting in there at the kind of minimum viable product kind of stage and building it up from there. So the idea is a clone of Pastebin, which I'm guessing you guys have all used. The idea is that it's just the simplest way of being able to share a piece of text with someone else. Except that in this case, obviously with Pastebin, it's susceptible to all of the current issues with Web 2 infrastructure and could easily be taken down. It's all centralized, whereas obviously it's built on Swarm in a decentralized way. So this becomes sort of unstoppable, uncensorable way of being able to transmit data. So that's where we're coming to this from. Yes, I'll take you through it. So the idea is that you can put any text into this text box here, quickly hit the paste button, it uploads to Swarm, and then there's a link that you can share and copy and share with anyone. There you go, and then that person can edit it and send it back to you. It's all mobile friendly. It's all been built beautifully. The idea is that it's got quite a nice user experience as well on top of it all. If you're looking for more information, there's this neat little pop-up here. So I'll demo editing the information. Paste it again, copy the link. And there we go, there's the edited copy available for you. Like I say, it's a pretty simple implementation of where we're at. There's a roadmap from here on in, so there's a few obvious things that are missing here. Code highlighting is the first one that we'd like to get in here. Pastebin is traditionally used as a way of people being able to copy and share code, and it would be really good to be able to support that within Pastebee as well. I'd like to get text formatting in here so people could start writing markdown documents. And then the other thing, which is very obvious, is the ability for people to be able to collaborate on a document at the same time using the Pastebee system. So that's where we're at. It's available on Swarm Gateway, but it's also available on the traditional Web 2 as well. I'll drop some links into the chat so you guys can have a play with it and hopefully use it. It's production ready, so go ahead.
Well, that was a lovely demo. Yeah, Pete, that was amazing. I also love how you say traditional Web 2.0. If you're from Europe too, so normally if we call something traditional, it's been around for at least like 300 years. But
it feels like that sometimes.
That's really cool. Like the jury is shouting how much they like this, and there's like one question: can we have this encrypted?
Yeah, I'm sure we can. Absolutely.
Yeah, if you could do this with like some PGP, kind of with some keys or anything, that would be really cool. Okay, this is a question. It's maybe not really about your project or solution, but the question from the jury is: what was the biggest difficulty which you faced developing Pastebee, and how did you solve it?
Well, I guess I'm lucky in a way. I'm standing on the shoulders of giants here, right? Obviously, Dan is very close to your project, so the integration with Swarm was easy with his expert guidance.
I see. Yes, we all know his giant beard that you're mentioning. Which library? Another question is, which library did you use to do this?
Which library did we use?
Yeah, library, meaning how do you interact with the B client or with the gateway?
So it's just HTTP requests using the Axios.
Axios. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, and yeah, I already asked this question. Can you encrypt the shared links?
Yeah, let's get it onto the.
Basically, these are not even questions from the jury. They are by now they are doing feature requests. So I will tell them to create a GitHub issue on your repo.
Well,
Okay.
like I say, let's get this into production as soon as we can, right? This is a useful, hopefully a useful utility that everyone can use.
It is tremendously fun, and also the design is like spot on if you ask me. Anyway, I'm not in the jury, so I can tell you like I'm very enthusiastic about this, and it's just lovely. I would love to use this. Thank you so much, Pete, also for your short. And one question, another question: what is the size limitation? They probably mean like in bytes.
I mean, we haven't stress tested it at this point, really. The majority of my effort on this week has been tidying up the edge cases and making it look pretty. So let's all work together to see how far we can push it.
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much, Pete. We will see you tonight at the closing ceremony, I hope. Always fun seeing you. Thank you, Pete, and see you
All
soon.
right, no worries. See you soon. Bye bye.